Rolly, happy birthday. Ang wish ko, huwag mong pababayaan na yung sarili. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Magdadasal.
Happy birthday, Tita Rolly. Jesus loves you.
Wish.
Happy birthday, Tita Rolly. I wish you have a good life and long life and have a good appetite.
Happy birthday nga pala, Kuya Rolly. Wish ko, sana laging nasa maayos at may malusog na pangatawan. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon kasama ang iyong buong pamilya at mga kaibigan. Sana more birthdays to come. Huwag makakalimot sa Panginoon. Laging magdadasal. Enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ninong Rolly. Jesus loves you. Happy birthday, Ninong Rolly. I wish you good health and many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Rolly. Jesus loves you. Sana happy birthday. Nga pala, bago ko makalimutan, sana nasa mabuting kalagayan, always maayos ang kalusugan at ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Rolly.
More birthdays to come.
Sana palaging mabuti ang iyong kalusugan at sana laging ligtas at sana laging maganda at okay ang iyong trabaho. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tito Rolly. I hope
Tito
you will
Ninong.
enjoy. Happy birthday, Ninong Rolly. I hope you will enjoy this day with your family and many more birthdays to come, and stay safe always.
Alin? Alin? More
message.
Si Allen pa ito.
Ang message na. Happy birthday pati.
Happy birthday. Happy
Happy birthday.
No birthday.
Mag-birthday to come.
Yun.
Happy birthday, Rolly. Happy birthday nila. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo ay maraming pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo at good health.
Happy birthday, Rolly. More birthday to come. Sana maging masaya kayo dyan. Happy birthday ulit.
Minsi.
Laksi.
Laksi. Tito Rolly.
Saka ano pa?
Hello,
Message.
Jaden.
Alin?
Happy birthday, Tito Rolly. I wish you have a good life and
Happy
Happy birthday! Enjoy your birthday.
Hello, Tito Rolly. Happy 50th birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi kung saan man kayo magpunta. Mahal namin kayo. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po, Tito Rolly. Mag-iingat ka po palagi dyan sa ibang bansa. Alagaan mo po yung sarili mo at salamat din po sa pagtanggap mo bilang pamangkin na din. Happy birthday po ulit. Thank you.
Before anything else, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. I hope that you are always in good health and always safe. Happy birthday again. So enjoy your birthday and yun lang. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Tito Rolly. I hope your family gets good health, including you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rolly. I hope this birthday brings you more happiness and brightness. Wishing you a blessed birthday, and I pray to God bless you with all life. Alam naman ng lahat na may mabuti kang puso at napaka mapagbigay mo kahit kanino, lalo na sa amin na pamilya mo. Kahit ipangutang mo, makapagbigay ka lang. Today is your day. Napaka-bless mo sa pamilya mo, kay Jeanette at kay Jayden. Napaka-bless mo today dahil marami kang kamag-anak, pinsan, na dumalo ngayon sa iyong 50th birthday. At syempre, magaling kang makasama, kaya umaapaw ang mga kaibigan mo na nakikisaya sa iyong birthday ngayon. Kaya masayang-masaya ako, masayang-masaya kami para sa iyo. Sana lang huwag kang magbago sa amin. Mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan. Enjoy your day. At again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Rolly. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Insan! Happy birthday, Tito.
Birthday, Tito.
Hi, Kuya Ladoy! Happy birthday! Wish you more birthdays to come and good health. And on behalf of the Aluan clan, happy birthday. At mga nahihiya daw. So, yun. Ingat lagi dyan. And more blessings. Thank you. Bye-bye!
Paparay, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sana'y dumami pa ang birthday.
Humaba ang buhay at bigyan ng
Yumaman
lakas
at nang makapakinabang kami pagka marami mautangan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Rolly. More birthdays to come.
Hello po, Ninang Rolly. Happy 50th birthday po. Wishing you a good health always and more birthdays to come. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday, Ninong. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Day, Rolly. Maraming karawang kapasanang isapit ng malulate ng mahal na Panginoon.
Oh. Rolly, kumusta ka? Happy birthday. Birthday mo pala.
Pare, happy birthday. Nakanapay natin diyan. Marami tong birthday yung sumabot sa iyo. Birthday lagi diyan.
Hello guys! Kumusta na kayo lahat dyan? Kuya, happy birthday! More birthdays to come. At siyempre, laging good health. Pasensya ka na, ako lang ang nakapag-video at nandito ako sa work.
Tapos ang mga kasama ko may mga work din. Kaya pasensya ka na, ako lang ang nakapag-video. Kaya happy birthday ulit. At sana ma-enjoy mo ang iyong 50th birthday. At maraming salamat sa iyo na kapag ikaw ay umuwi ng Pinas, hindi ka nakakalimot na pumunta sa mga inay at sa mga tatay. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday ulit sa iyo. At laging ingat sa work. At ganun din sa mag-ina. Kumusta na lang sa kanila. At sa ating mga kamag-anak diyan sa London. Happy birthday again. Goodbye. Bye-bye. From Italy with love.
Happy 50th birthday sa isa sa pinakapogi kong pinsan. We fondly call him Ladoy. Ayun yung aming palayo sa kanya. He was nicknamed Ladoy sa aming magpipinsan, sa aming magkakapit bahay. Mula pagkabata namin, magkakasama na kaming lumaki kasi magkakapit bahay kami sa Pilipinas. Enjoy your golden years, Ladoy. Sana magkasama-sama ulit tayo magpipinsan. Happy blessed birthday ulit. Salamat.
Hi! Happy birthday sa'yo, Kuya Rolly. Naway, madami pang birthday ang iyong celebrate, Kuya. Ay, ikaw malusog at malakas at walang karamdaman. Patuloy sa pagyaman. Happy birthday, Kuya. Enjoy your day.
Parang Rolly, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday from me, Clef and Kobe.
Yeah, happy 50th birthday. Hope you will have a good time and may the Lord pour out His blessings and may He continue to give you more strength, wisdom, and we are looking forward to celebrating your 50th birthday soon. See you. Bye.
Kobe, ikaw naman. Nino, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to Kuya Rolly. Greetings from Dilambaka family here in Guam. Wishing you more fruitful years ahead. Stay healthy, more blessings to come, and enjoy in your birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Bayawa. More birthdays to celebrate and more bottles to drink.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday again.
Bye.
To the best dad in the world, Rolly, happy birthday. His birthday is coming up and we'd like to say happy birthday to my precious dad. I wish you good health and happy birthday.
Yes, Daddy. Happy 50th birthday. You're a golden boy now. So such a privilege that, God have given it to you. So hope you will spend it wonderfully with your family and friends and relatives. And we wish you all the best in life. And God bless you more. And continue to be an inspiration to others. We love you.
Love you. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
See ya.